I recommend you to give different persons at the treatment partner separate RepTool accesses by individual logins and passwords, and to ask them to use them. Providing different user accesses gives the option to be able to trace changes done in a report. In case of any conflict, you may trace the user who has done changes in any report in the history list of the report. If you provide only one access and different persons of the treatment partner use it, you will not be able to differentiate the person having done any data input. Additionally, there is the advantage that you may communicate with the user via the controller remarks feature, as the user having given any remark will be shown. See the videos on controller remarks under the videos for reporters.